Right, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling Darlington route number 4. We're setting off right here from the Yarm Road Test Centre, so take a deep breath, mind the potholes, and let's get this pass. If you haven't seen them yet, make sure to check out my previous videos covering routes 1, 2, and 3. If you find these guides helpful, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with anyone else preparing for their test. Now, as we come out from the test centre, we're turning left. The upcoming KFC roundabout will be taking the third exit onto McMullen Road. So staying in the right-hand lane, check your mirrors, signal right, and take the third exit. Around here, the examiner may ask you to pull over on the left, so keep an eye out for a suitable safe spot. There are traffic lights up ahead, and when you stop, please bear in mind that there is a keep clear marking just before the signals. There is only enough room for one vehicle past the box, so if that space is taken, make sure to stop before the keep clear marking. Watch out, there's a truck stopped in front of us. Slow down and check for any oncoming traffic. When it's safe, signal right and move into the right-hand lane to pass. Whenever you're overtaking and moving completely into the right lane, remember to signal right, and once you're safely passed, signal left as you move back into the left lane. From this junction, we're continuing straight ahead onto McMullen Road. This is also a 30-mile road, so keep your speed controlled and watch for any potential hazards. The upcoming traffic lights will be turning right onto Morton Road. At this mini roundabout, we'll be taking the first exit, turning left towards Salters Lane South. From here, we have priority over oncoming traffic, so we'll keep going and take the next right after the priority sign onto Welbeck Avenue. This is a tight road with vehicles parked on both sides, so keep looking well ahead and be prepared to stop for oncoming traffic. In residential areas like this, you may be asked to pull over on the left or right. Remember to avoid stopping directly opposite another parked vehicle, as this can create a bottleneck and block traffic from passing through. At this point, we'll be turning right onto Wingfield Road towards Stockton Road. Watch out for the cycle lane on your left, and avoid driving in it unless necessary. At this roundabout, we'll be taking the second exit straight ahead onto Stockton Road, returning back to the test centre. Watch out, the speed limit is changing here from a 30-mile road to 40, and then up to a 60-mile road ahead. At the upcoming roundabout, we'll be taking the second exit turning right towards Scotch Corner, so we need to move into the right-hand lane here. Here we are merging into the left lane, so check your left mirror and merge safely when clear. This is also a 60-mile road, so keep up your speed when it is clear and safe to do so. At the upcoming roundabout, we'll be going straight ahead. At this point, the examiner may ask you to perform a show-me maneuver while driving, such as operating the side window. They will give you the instruction for this when it's time. When you approach the Yarm Road roundabout, stay in the left-hand lane to take the third exit towards the B6280. Upon exiting, remain in the left-hand lane, which leads directly to the test centre. At this roundabout, we'll be taking the second exit. As you join the roundabout, stay in the left-hand lane. The road markings have completely faded here. At this point, we'll be turning left, heading back towards the test centre. Quick reminder that this is a 10-mile route, so take your time. The test isn't over until you're parked up, the engine is off and the handbrake is on. Stay focused right to the end. Don't forget, the examiner might also ask for a forward or reverse bay park back at the test centre. Keep working on those observations, stay calm, and you'll do great. Good luck with your test, drive safely, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more route guides. Thanks for watching.